In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic page in Wix Studio. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a reusable page template that automatically displays the right content for each item on your site. Let's begin inside the Wix Studio editor. On the left-hand toolbar, click the Pages icon. This opens the Pages panel, which is your map of the site. It lists every page and shows how your site is structured, so it's a great place to stay organized as you build. Now add a new page from this panel by clicking the plus icon. Choose New Dynamic Page. What you're creating here isn't a single static page, it's a template. That means one design will adapt to show different content for each item in a collection, such as products, articles, or profiles. Instead of designing the same layout over and over, you design once and reuse it everywhere. When this dynamic page appears, you'll see a template style layout with placeholder labels like title, description, and image. These aren't false final words or pictures. They're markers that tell the page where to place real content later. Think of them as slots that will be filled with data from your CMS or collection. The real power here is consistency. Any design change you make to this template will automatically apply to every item that uses it. Next, customize the layout so it matches your brand. Click any text, image, or button to adjust its content and style. Rearrange sections, fine-tune spacing, and make sure your headings, body text, and media feel balanced. On the right, use the Inspector panel to control fonts, colors, and responsive behavior so the page looks great on desktop and mobile. Keep your design clean and scannable. A clear visual hierarchy helps visitors find what they need quickly. Connecting the content comes later, and it's not part of this video. Eventually, you'll link this dynamic page to a Wix collection or CMS, so each URL shows the correct item's data. For now, focus on building a solid, flexible template that's easy to reuse. Before wrapping up, keep your site structure tidy. Give the dynamic page a clear, descriptive name such as product page or blog post. Then add it correctly to your navigation so visitors can reach it from other pages and menus without confusion. That's how you create a Wix Studio dynamic page. By using the Pages panel and the plus icon to select New Dynamic Page, you get a template that automatically shows the right content for each item, saving time and keeping your design consistent. Keep exploring and enjoy the efficiency that dynamic pages bring to your site building.